Are you tired of living the same life every single day?
Wow, Anna, that's a very strong way to start.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Anna, and hello to our listeners.
But I'm serious. Think about it. Are you actually happy or just waiting for something to change?
That's a big question. I think many people wake up, drink coffee, go to work, and come back home. Every day feels the same.
And sometimes it feels like days are just repeating themselves without meaning.
Yes, like you're living on autopilot, not really thinking, just doing.
Exactly. Nothing changes because you are not changing. This is your wake-up call today.
I like that energy. Sometimes we need someone to tell us the truth. We get too comfortable.
Yes, comfort can be a trap. We stay where it's easy, but easy doesn't help you grow.
It feels safe, but at the same time, it keeps you stuck.
That's the problem. Safe is not always good. Safe can slowly steal your potential.
You're right. If I only choose easy things, I stay the same version of David. I don't improve.
And deep inside, you know you can do more.
Yes, there's always that voice telling me I could be better.
So today, we're talking about movement, not just physical movement, but changing your life.
This feels different from our usual talks. It's more intense.
Because time doesn't wait for anyone, David. It doesn't wait until you feel ready.
That's a bit scary. The clock just keeps going.
It does. Every second is passing whether you act or not.
So doing nothing is also a choice.
Exactly. And it's usually the choice that leads nowhere.
That makes me think, how many opportunities have I missed just by waiting?
More than you realize. But the good news is you can start now.
That's a relief. It means I still have control.
You always had control. You just didn't use it fully.
That's honest and a bit uncomfortable.
Growth is always uncomfortable. That's how you know it's real.
So discomfort is actually a sign of progress?
Yes, if everything feels easy, you're probably not growing. So let's be real. Life is not easy, and honestly, it won't suddenly become easy.
That's hard to accept. We always want things to be easier. Better job, easier learning, easy success.
But that idea is misleading. The world doesn't stop because you are tired. Life continues.
So if I keep waiting for the perfect moment, I might wait forever.
Exactly. No one is coming to rescue you, David. Not your boss, not the government, and not even your friends.
Wow, that makes me feel responsible.
Good. That's the point. Responsibility gives you power.
I never thought of it like that. I usually see responsibility as pressure.
It can feel like pressure, but it's also freedom. You decide what happens next.
That changes my perspective. I remember someone I knew. He always complained about his life but never changed anything.
Did anything improve?
No, he kept waiting for help or luck, but nothing changed.
That's the problem. He had the power but didn't use it.
It's easier to complain than to act.
Yes, because complaining costs nothing. Action costs effort.
But complaining also wastes time and energy.
Exactly. It only makes your mind heavier. So we must stop excuses like, I'm too old, I don't have time, or I'm not ready.
I've used those excuses before.
Everyone has, but the difference is some people stop using them.
Those are just stories we tell ourselves to stay safe.
And safety like that can stop your growth.
So we need a real decision, not maybe tomorrow, but I will start today.
Yes, and you must realize you control your mind. You decide your thoughts.
That's not easy. My mind always tells me to relax and do nothing.
Same here, but you must be stronger than your comfort.
Stronger than my comfort zone. I like that.
It's a daily battle, not a one-time decision.
So I have to choose discipline again and again.
Exactly, every single day. You're not alone in this, David. We also need belief and strength.
Belief in what?
Faith that something bigger is guiding you, even when life feels difficult.
That helps. When things are hard, I feel like I can still continue.
Exactly. You already have power inside you, but you need to activate it.
Like a machine that only works when you switch it on.
Perfect example. You are built for action.
So it's not about trying, it's about doing.
Yes, don't just try, do it. Be bold.
I think listeners might feel this energy too.
I hope so. If you're listening, maybe this is your moment to wake up.
Yes, and maybe you should support the channel and share it with someone who needs motivation.
And if you're still here, comment the word brave. It shows you're ready for change.
I like that word.
Now, let's continue. We talked before about starting small, right?
Yes, start small was the idea.
Today, I want to change that slightly. Small steps can sometimes keep you comfortable.
So what should we do instead?
Start now, but seriously. Do something that challenges you.
Something that makes my heart beat faster?
Exactly. That's how you know it matters.
Like, if I want to learn English, I shouldn't just watch videos, I should actually practice more.
Yes, speak, make mistakes, learn in real situations.
That sounds scary, but also exciting.
Growth is always both.
Like at the gym, you don't grow muscles with light weights.
Right, you need resistance. Growth comes from pressure.
That sounds uncomfortable, but true.
Yes, it's the discomfort of becoming better.
I remember my first job. I was nervous every single day.
But you stayed?
Yes, I pushed through, and I grew because of it.
That's exactly how it works. Struggle shapes you.
So, struggle isn't something to avoid.
Never. It's part of the process. It's the price of a better life.
Many people think successful people don't struggle.
But they actually struggle more. They just don't quit.
They continue even when tired.
Yes, you will feel tired. You will want to stop. But that's where progress happens.
Like the last part of a race.
Exactly. The hardest part comes right before success.
I'm starting to think about the reward now.
Good. Imagine a life where you are confident, growing, and free.
A life where I can communicate easily, travel, and support my family.
That future exists, but you must build it.
So I should visualize it daily.
Yes, see it clearly, then work for it.
Otherwise, I'll just wander without direction.
Exactly. You need a goal.
And that goal requires effort.
Yes, nothing comes for free.
And consistency is important too, right?
Very important. Small actions repeated daily create big results.
I feel like I should start something right now.
Then do it. Don't wait for motivation.
That's the problem. I wait for the right mood.
And it never comes first. Action creates motivation.
That's a powerful idea.
Always remember, action first, feeling later.
So I should just start my pending work immediately.
Yes, even 5 minutes is enough to begin.
And once I start, it becomes easier to continue.
Exactly. Starting is the hardest part.
I think I will also call my brother. We haven't spoken in a long time.
That's a strong decision, David. Life is too short for unnecessary distance.
It really is. Relationships matter more than we realize.
Sometimes we delay important things for no reason.
And later, we regret not acting sooner.
This conversation feels like a wake-up call.
That's the intention.
I feel more alert now.
Good, because today is what matters.
Not yesterday or tomorrow.
Exactly. Only today is real.
So we should use it properly.
Yes, stay strong, keep faith, and keep moving forward.
It won't be easy.
No, it won't, but it will be worth it.
I believe that.
I believe in you too, David, and in everyone listening.
We all have potential.
We just need to use it.
I'm going to start my work now.
And I'm going for a run, even if it's raining.
Really? That's dedication.
No excuses.
I'm impressed.
And thank you, everyone, for listening.
Until next time.
Stay brave and keep moving forward.
Goodbye, everyone.